Alright, so today my mom got me this cool Barbie toy, and I'm gonna unbox this. And on the back it says that there's 16 crees to collect. So let's open it. Oh, I got a doctor! So the doll that we got is pretty cool, and I'm gonna put it in my doll house because it looks so cool. And I'm gonna put it in my doll shop. I like the purple. Alright, so I got this cool tea set that we're gonna open for my friends. And can't wait to see how it looks. So it comes with 4 little food plates. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then it comes with 4 little teacup plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like the little flower design. And then they have 4 little teacups that you can put on the little tea plates. I don't know what they're called. And then there's some cups and saucers. This is a, oh. I spilled my tea. And then right here, oh, wait. I think that's just a, oh, this. It's a little cute picture. And then a little creamer thing. And then this is where you put your sugar, and that's where you put the tea. So that was really cute. And now take this unboxing out of the way. Alright, so that was like a really cute unboxing. I love the little teacups. Oh, this is like a giant bowl for her. And this is like a, like if you go to like the Miniverse, then this is basically what a doll would look like in the Miniverse. Gee, I have to get I have to do something to make like a dollhouse that's perfectly sized for her. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to My Cute Collection. Bye!